on, Jasmine. Tastes good.
Chug.
Just swallow. That's all you gotta do. Just swallow it. Now, just swallow it. Don't.
It's good, isn't it? Mmm.
Don't let it come out. Come out
A little pop smoke. Did you just swallow some? You got this.
It all goes downhill from here.
What are you trying to say? You can't breathe.
It's hot.
It burns your tongue, doesn't it?
Well, do something. Try to swallow it or something. Unless you get busted lip.
She's crying. What you want to be? Is that what?
Stuck in your throat. It just doesn't go down. Keep swallowing.
Swallow with the water.
Your whole pipe gets clogged and you can't then you start spitting up beans. It's okay.
I'm gonna zoom in on the determination and cinnamon on your face. Check it out.
Yeah, chew it. That's what I did.
Yeah, do what Krista did.
Oh, Paul.
What?
Come. Swallow.
Oh, smile for me real quick. Come on.
You're so too.
Ah!
Oh, God. It's my wrist. Fine.
No. Not no me.
He got in my foot.
I can see it over there. Why do you run fast on? It's over there. Not that pillow, that's cool.
Shut up, Brooke.
She's crying.
I'm crying.
Oh my gosh, Rest.
How are you still laughing?
Catherine's got real tears. Well, that's terrible.
Oh my goodness, I see the tears. Oh my goodness.
What was that? Oh my goodness.
Alright, let me get the pillow for cover.
You have to get tissue. You know, if you swallow it, it'll be over with faster. You can't swallow it, Mama. Have you tried? You got to swallow it. Get up and do it. I can. You can't move. Well, then don't threaten if you can't do it. I'm not gonna lick my tongue. Then you know what I said. So you wouldn't do. He's not here. I'll lick one.
Doesn't taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, does it?
It tastes like Hootie Tooties, don't it? I don't think you can put that anymore.
I start getting wet now.
Oh, I'm gonna crap about you. I just want to see over so that you can do mine.
Ooh!
What if I punch you in the stomach? Does that help?
in you, babe.
Come here. She should give it brain. She's trying to swallow it. She is swallowing it. Brain by brain. Ooh, slobber, bro.
Yeah, you want to talk about slobber? That'd be your face.
My face was libations.
I'm just gonna sit next to you.
Oh my gosh.
Diagonal from the line of fire. Kristen, you're there in the camera. It's you and her. Ugh, let's get you out of there. Never mind, you're back in. I have to have you in. You're just sitting there, just chilling. Oh, that's a lot better, thanks. Jasmine, looks like Jasmine's struggling.
She's really like you look like.
Hey, there's like a laser going across the screen from the light. Okay, sorry.
I feel like the camera's gonna die. Oh, she tells you. Yeah, you're really funny. It's not funny when you actually do it, Oh, that sounded nasty. Come on, Netta. Spit it out. She gonna hurl. They're hurling on the floor. This is just antique. Why are you laughing? It's true. Mama, she making fun of our living. Still burning? Oh, that's it.
She looks like a duck. You have a little bit left? That's what it is?
No, she probably still
Just swallow it all in one.
It won't go down her, clog up her tube, and then she'll die.
Ah! Do that again. Hold on, do that again, Kristen.
No, it looks like she ate something. Devin got it so bad.
Got it.
Did it?
That was a trick, that wasn't it? Just
You
bring that little piece.
nasty. Alright, so talk to me. What just happened?